See teachers, when we schedule the class, after we finish and end the class, this video comes after some time. It doesn't come instantly, it takes time to come. And there are 3 dots over here for more options. Okay, when I I'll show you. There are 3 dots over here. One is get the link. If you take the link from here, you can copy this link and keep it with you in the notepad. Maintain a notepad, hard disk notepad पे click करके copy this link over there and make a note of it, this date and time this class was held, so you can reuse it whenever you want. We should make a list of all the links, because keeping all the videos will not be practical possible, so we can always keep the links with the date and time in the class. So this is one way of doing this. And then it asks you to open in Microsoft Stream. Okay, you can share this also. When we open this in Microsoft Stream, it takes some time to bring the video. Okay, from here also you have this option of sharing this, or you can have this upload the video over here. There are many things that can be done. And other than this, there are 3 dots. You can delete this video, update the details, link to groups and channels, and download the video. If you want, VLCC player में आपके पास जो भी facility हो, आप download करके वहाँ पे उसको you can play and see this video. And what I want to tell you most important is, there is, when you come to stream, this is stream, see to it, this is stream, there is one my content. Even if you have not downloaded, sometimes if you forget, even then when you go to your meetings, you will get the list of the videos that you have recorded till now. So they are always available over here, even if you have not downloaded that day itself. So even if you forgotten and then upload the date and time and rest of the details, you will get your videos from here also. Okay, this recently I have done, so my upload, this process is not over. This I've already downloaded. So this is my content. This is very important. You can always see your videos in my content, but this is under stream. So that is when you click on your video, right click, open in stream, stream will come. From stream you will go to my contents, and then you will go to your channels, your meetings, and then you will, meetings में आपको सारी आपकी list मिल जाएगी. You can see this list is coming over here also. That's it.